Welcome to the instructional video on user experience design and web design principles for instructors. In this video, we will cover practical points that can help you teach these important concepts to your students. So let's dive right in. User experience design, commonly known as UX design, is the process of creating products or services that provide meaningful and relevant experiences to users. It involves understanding the needs and expectations of users and designing interfaces that are intuitive, efficient, and delightful to use. When teaching UX design, emphasize the importance of understanding user needs. Help your students develop techniques to gather user feedback, conduct user research, and create user personas. Encourage them to empathize with users and consider their goals, motivations, and pain points. Information architecture is a crucial aspect of UX design. It involves organizing and structuring information in a clear and logical way. Teach your students to create effective navigation systems using techniques like card sorting and tree testing. Show them how to create sitemaps and wireframes to visualize the structure and flow of a website. Visual design plays a significant role in creating an appealing user experience. Teach your students the principles of visual hierarchy, typography, color theory, and use of imagery. Encourage them to consider the emotional impact of design choices and how they can enhance the overall user experience. Interaction design focuses on designing interactive elements and defining how users interact with a website or application. Teach your students about usability principles, such as affordances, feedback, and constraints. Show them how to create prototypes and conduct usability testing to refine their designs. With the rise of mobile devices, teaching responsive design is essential. Help your students understand the importance of designing websites that adapt to different screen sizes and devices. Teach them techniques like fluid grids, flexible images, and media queries. Show them how to test their designs on various devices to ensure a consistent user experience. Accessibility is a critical consideration in modern web design. Teach your students the importance of creating websites that are accessible to all users, including those with disabilities. Educate them about accessibility guidelines, such as the Web Content Accessibility Guidelines, WCAG, and teach them techniques to ensure their designs are inclusive. Usability testing is a valuable tool for evaluating and improving user experiences. Teach your students different methods of usability testing, such as moderated and unmoderated testing, and the importance of collecting user feedback. Show them how to analyze test results and iterate on their designs based on user insights. Lastly, emphasize the importance of collaborative design. Teach your students to work in multidisciplinary teams, where designers, developers, and stakeholders collaborate throughout the design process. Encourage them to engage in effective communication, critique, and iteration to create the best possible user experiences. That concludes our instructional video on user experience design and web design principles for instructors. By focusing on these practical points, you can equip your students with the knowledge and skills they need to create exceptional user experiences. Thank you for watching and happy teaching.